I'm Alex Michael Oliva from Leading Tone Lessons out of King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. We're here to answer the question today, how to change your guitar strings. Sadly, there's no way to actually fix a string that's dead or dying or buzzing. We have to go and buy strings which come in packs of 6, and you can buy single strings at a time too, that all come in different colors corresponding with each different string. So, in order to fix the buzzing in the string, we will have to completely change the string. So, first, we'll have to loosen the tuning peg at the top, letting the string go floppy, and eventually it'll just pull through. And pull the string through the bridge. And in the opposite manner, when you're putting on a new string, pulling the string through the bridge, back up to where you were, through the nut of the guitar, and into the tuning peg again, where you tighten it. This is the way that we can fix our strings and hopefully get a little more life out of them. Again, this is Alex Michael Oliva from Leading Tone Lessons based out of King of Prussia, Pennsylvania.